Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2022 Toyota Sienna LE. You can see with the key fob here I can operate both power sliding doors. We've got our brand new wheelchair accessible conversion back here. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. On these clamps we pinch and we flip. They're a great design. They keep these ramps from rattling. Again, I pinch and I flip, and I can take this super lightweight ramp down to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 38-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 8 inches wider than a side entry. So if you're hauling a bigger chair or chairs, the rear entry might be the answer for you. If someone parks next to you in a side entry van, you cannot get out of your vehicle. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance to get over rougher terrain, including snowdrift this time of year, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the reasons I appreciate the rear entry over the side, but we do sell both. If you want a side entry, they've got good uses as well. Like I said, 38-inch wide ramp, 800-pound weight capacity, about 55 inches of headroom coming inside and inside the van. It's got the 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney, or a stretcher. Got your upgraded Q-strength tie downs. We throw those in at no additional charge to you. Got your cup holder back here and all your plug-ins for your electronics. Got your jump seats here. We can even put a bench seat in here potentially that'll fold up out of the way, so you can haul 5 plus a wheelchair. Fold the bench up out of the way when it's not in use. We can put a 3rd row seat that flips up and down in here. My point is, talk to me about your measurements. Let me know how many people you're hauling. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. To come inside the van here, it's got the cup holders, all your plugs for your passengers in the rear. A real nice center console there, cup holders up front. The dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash, and you got your steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. You can sync up your phone. You can close all your doors up here if that's easy for you. And when you get everybody secure, come back out and reverse the process. Now our conversion, competition is going to tell you they have a better conversion than we do, and that's fine. That's what they get paid to say. I want you to ask them what their warranty is. Most of them are going to tell you 3 years, 36,000 miles. Well, ours goes 3 years, unlimited miles. So if theirs stops at 36,000 miles and ours goes to unlimited, you tell me who has the better built conversion. As I do a walk around of the van, and this is the hybrid, 36 miles a gallon. You can cut your fuel in half, compared to a regular gas vehicle. Got tinted windows, got the alloy wheels. We just put 4 brand new tires on this. So the Yokohama, we didn't skimp. We put a nice name brand tire on there. As I continue to do the walk around here, you can see this is very clean. Of course, that white stays clean easy. But we inspect these vans very thorough before we buy. I'm looking for a dent or a scratch. I'm not gonna portray this as a brand new vehicle, but gosh, it's sure not far from it. Nice and clean. One thing I always recommend, make sure you get a video of the VIN number sticker. Not just a picture, a video. And why I say that, there's a lot of scammers out there. They put a vehicle online and they try and sell it. And what they want you to do is send them a deposit or pay for the full vehicle before you've ever seen it. Once you send them some money, they disappear off the face of the earth. You know what will help? Is if you get a video. See that VIN number sticker right there? That means the vehicle's in my possession. This is not some internet scam. It's here on the ground. I got it with me. What I also do is always run a VIN number with that, run a Carfax with that VIN number. You can see here, Carfax shows 1 owner, no accidents or damage. Last owned is a rental vehicle. Now, a lot of people say stay away from rentals. I would agree if it's a sports car, means it's probably been driven pretty hard. I don't think too many people rent the Toyota Sienna to go out and race it. I think it means highway miles. That's exactly what you want on a used vehicle. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. They show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a 1 owner, clean title, no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage. Airbags have never been deployed. Odometer's accurate. No accidents or damage. No open recalls. And we can show the vehicle went into service 8/11 of 2022. So it meets the specs to be into the full 36,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, 3-year 36,000 mile bumper-to-bumper until 8/11 of 2025, or 36,000 miles, whichever comes first. And under the specs to be under the full powertrain warranty from Toyota until 8/11/2027, or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. No matter who you do business with, check them out online, look at their reviews and ratings. Find us on eBay, 1,447 transactions. Check that out. Every single one of them, 100% left us positive feedback. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real business. Make sure you're not getting scammed. You can see we're here, Wichita, Kansas, our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. And I hear people, they oftentimes talk about how they found a deal off Craigslist or Facebook that was just too good to be true. They end up buying a van, they get completely scammed out of their life savings, or buy a van with a bunch of issues when they couldn't get a title for. Tell you what, if you're buying from a private individual, you better know what you're doing. Or if they end up buying from one of these dealers with 1 and 2 and 3-star reviews, they didn't bother looking up the dealer before they buy. They get flood damage, they get salvage title, they get frame damage, you name it, I've heard it all. So if you want to buy from those 1 and 2 and 3-star dealers, expect 1 and 2 and 3-star vans. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for over 12 years, dozen years, I look forward to your phone call. Okay, back to the van. We do have our 1 keyless entry here. Toyota has given out I guess not a recall notice, but a notice saying they can only get 1 key for vans right now, even on their brand new ones. So it's just kind of one of the supply chain shortages that we're dealing with right now. Got your power driver's seat. I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. What I do like about this key is it's a push button start. So if you get in a vehicle, the vehicle's in your purse or your pocket, just put your foot on the brake, push the push button start there, you're ready to go. It's got a full tank of fuel in it. You've got your backup camera here. Nice large camera. Got your dual climate control. And 31,875 miles currently. And if you're going to use this commercially, be in and out of the doors a lot, you can hit the power off button there. These doors will become manual. They can slide open quickly without risking a damage or breaking them. We've got our vinyl seats here in the back. These are nice and easy to clean if you do have any spills or messes on them. Just a little different perspective of the back of the van in case you haven't been inside one of these vans. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We've checked all the power mirrors and windows. I'm going to show those to you right now. We checked the power locks, the heat, air, belts, hoses, that mirror over there moving, suspension, cruise control, steering, brakes, tires, of course brand new tires on it. Taking it on a road test, replace fluids as necessary. My point is, we do not just run these through the car wash and put them on the lot. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot, and I hope you can tell by our videos, we're very thorough in everything we do. Underneath the hood, we got our hybrid engine here. You can't even hear it running on these hybrids, but it's idle smooth, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. It's very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any fluid leaks. No signs of any rust from being in a flood or being up north. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it's a darn near new Toyota, they assume it hasn't been in a bad accident. They assume it's never been underwater. They assume it's got a clean title. And that's the most dangerous thing you can do. So what I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. That's right, I am sending you to the competition. And I want you to ask yourself, do they show me a Carfax report so I know I'm buying a vehicle with a clean title, no flood damage, no major accidents? Do they show me the reputation online so I know I'm buying from a reputable dealer? Do they get down on their hands and knees and even bother taking pictures of the undercarriage, much less a detailed video? Go look at their website, ask yourself, I'm telling you, how many pictures do you see of the undercarriage? So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, and when it comes to them showing you exactly what you're getting, going the extra mile, please, please, please compare me to the competition. And you know what ends up happening if you end up buying a vehicle that's got frame damage, whether it's from a flood or an accident? It may not pass inspection in your state. If it won't pass inspection in your state, you just bought a van you can't even drive. So do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. Tell them to get out there and put their heart and soul into it like I do every single one of my videos. Those lights flashing is how it picks up from the camera. They're not doing that in person. It's kind of like watching a TV on TV. Is how they're picked up. But there's not doing that in person. I can guarantee that. Second, demand a Carfax report. I spend a lot of money on Carfaxes every month, but I do that because I want to know what I'm buying, and more importantly, I want you to know what you're getting. Third, do your due diligence. Find out who you're buying from. It takes 3 minutes to get online, look up the company you're buying from, see what people are saying about them, and finally demand a warranty. We make sure every single one of our vehicles comes with a warranty. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. We stand behind our product to make sure each one comes with some sort of warranty. So let's get her out for a test drive. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this van home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure it's roadworthy. Popped up about 70 miles an hour. You can see my lane departure warning going off over there, warning me about this truck. It's got the oh, that was the blind spot monitor. I'm sorry, we do have the lane departure warning also. If I start to drift to one side or to the other, it will correct me. And I believe it even has the stop assist. If you come up and gonna rear end somebody, it'll do the auto stop for you. So a lot of great safety features. Keep you, keep your family, keep your loved ones, keep your business, keep them safe. Do keep in mind this does meet the specs for the factory bumper-to-bumper warranty. We do offer long-term extended warranties that are bumper-to-bumper type, good at anywhere, any shop in the country. Those go as far as 8 years or till the odometer hits 120,000 miles. Talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they have a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they got a document fee, they've got a tag fee, you name it, they've got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So once you've added up all their hidden fees, once you add up the shipping costs, that real nice price you saw online jumps $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about those hidden fees before you buy and the shipping, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it mechanical issues? You know, I don't know. I just know in any business, but especially the used car business, being transparent is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video right now. I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake at the bottom of this ramp so you can see there's no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. And if you'd like to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Now, if texting is easier for you, here's my cell phone, 316-518-4377. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. You now have my cell phone number. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Or do you have to call in, talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me and you're sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that super pushy used car salesman, give me a call. More than happy to get you taken care of. And I promise you, we're gonna sell this Sienna whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, thank you for hanging in there with us. We would really appreciate giving us a like here on YouTube. That'll help us out. Give us a follow if you want to be the first to see all of our upcoming inventory videos. And if you ever do want to come in, please, please, please make an appointment with me. I know your time is valuable. I don't want to miss you. We're not sitting around all day with our feet up on a desk waiting for people to walk in. We stay busy every second of the day, but we're more than happy to spend time with you. Give us a call, set up that appointment. And if you would like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free Carfax reports, free shipping, no hidden fees, and dozens of pictures, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.